All right, I'm going to be talking about how to make passive income in real estate investing, which I know a lot of people, they are passionate about learning, and I can't wait to show you what I got. Okay, in most videos you're gonna see me talking about either wholesaling or flipping because that's what I really love and I'm passionate about, the quick money, the quick turns. But today I'm gonna talk about the passive cash flow in real estate, passive investing. And that's something too, it really comes down to long-term generational wealth, right? Long-term estate planning, long-term opportunities. So passive income in real estate is created when you do buy and hold properties. You buy single family residence and you put renters in them and you collect the rent, or you buy, something like a duplex or a fourplex or apartment buildings and you collect rents over a period of time. That's passive income is essentially defined as money that comes in at a regular basis without you having to make that much effort. That's why it's considered passive. Real estate investing, when you're flipping and wholesaling, it takes a lot more effort, a lot more time, a lot more energy, because once you've turned that property, it's never going to produce income for you again. So in order to make money in passive investing with real estate, you really got to make sure that you know what you're looking to do, what the criteria of the property is you're looking to buy. In the market you're in, does it make sense to buy single family residence properties and put renters in them? And can it cash flow? In some markets it can, in some markets it can't. In my market, it really depends on how you buy. In some markets in the Midwest, most properties will cash flow. In properties, areas like the Bay Area where properties are higher end and they cost more money, or Southern California, it's difficult to buy properties and get a good return on your investment. So it's important to understand what market you're in so you can create your strategy and what it is you want to work with. In most markets, if you buy right, multifamily, fourplexes, sixplexes, larger apartment communities can do really, really well for you. You got to buy them right. You got to make sure rents are set at a reasonable market value, and you got to control expenses. If you can do these things, then you can have a lot of success in managing cash flow properties. I plan on in the near future bringing on a guest with me to talk about really a deep dive in getting cash flow investing and getting cash flow working for you when it comes to buying larger multifamily apartment complexes, so that you can have the tools you need to be successful in this business. As we're producing these videos, it's important for you to be posting your questions below. If you have more questions about passive cash flow investing, make sure you're posting them so I can answer them specifically and make sure that I take a deeper dive into the things that you want to know. For now, make sure you're subscribing to this, checking us out on the links below and all the other things that I've done, from podcasts to stuff on Facebook. And until I talk to you again, have a wonderful day.